What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Case Digital. My name is Zach, and today we're answering the question of how to use environment variables in Python. First off, what in the world is an environment variable? Well, oftentimes it is a key value pair where the key is something like path, and then it says equal, and then you have a value such as slash user slash Zach or whatever, right? That is essentially what they look like, and they're basically key value pairs that are used that you can access via the terminal that are kind of like global variables that any applications can use. And the most famous key value pair that I think I would say all Windows users are probably familiar with is the path one. I mean, every computer uses the path to essentially, put on applications onto the path so that way you can access them from anywhere and not just having to go into their, say, install directory and use them. But that is essentially what they are. They're just global variables that any program can grab access to and or your script can grab access to. So how do we view our key value pairs like in our terminal? So I want to talk about how you can access and view these kind of key value pairs in your terminal first before we get into the Python script, because with this full information I feel like it's more helpful. If you don't want that, you already know how, you can kind of skip ahead. But essentially, there's several different commands you can use. On a Linux and Mac, you can use, or Linux or Mac, you can use a print env or just env, and it should just print them out. Or on Windows, I believe it's set that you can use. It'll give you the complete list. So if we type in print env and I hit enter, you'll see that, hey, look, here's a bunch of key value pairs. Now I'm not going to scroll through these because what happens if I set a key value pair that, like I mentioned, they're global variables, and oftentimes this is a perfect place to put things like database passwords or API keys or things like that, because that allows any application that's going to use them access to them, and they don't have to be stored in, say, your code repo and accidentally get committed to the internet or the rest of the world, right? So this is essentially that command. Again, if I hit reset, and then that was the print env. Like I said, you can also do env, gives you the same thing. But how do I access if I just wanted to see the value of, say, my path? Well, on a Linux and Mac, again, you can say echo, and then I can do $, and then the path name. Again, typically, all the environment variables are usually all uppercase. So in this case, if we wanted to see, say, the path, I hit echo path. Echo is just saying I'm going to print it out. And then path is just going to say I'm going to give you the value, right? So if I hit enter, you'll see that, hey, it doesn't do path equals. It just gives me the full path that is on my machine. Again, I can reset this, and I can say another common one, which would be home, which will tell you the path to your home directory. And that's my home directory on my machine. On Windows, I believe it's just going to be the same thing, but $. Again, I don't do a ton of Windows stuff, but I believe that is what it will be. So now that we know how to access via the terminal, we can check via the terminal. How do we get that into our Python program, right? So that's what we're going to cover here next. So to use these environment variables in our Python script, what we're going to do is we're going to actually use the OS module. We're going to import that OS, and then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to type in my little handy dandy snippet that I have set up in my snippet file, and hit enter. That if name will create this snippet that we can then use. So I'm just going to say in our main guard, essentially, we're going to say os.get in env. Now what this does is it's a function that is going to access these environment variables, and all we have to do is pass the name of the environment variable. So again, we saw that if we do echo $home, it's going to print out user Zach, because that is what that environment is set to. So what if we just say home env is equal to, and then we come in here and say home, right? Come in here and print this out, and we'll do an f string. So we can do essentially home env is equal to that, so we can see the variable name. So now if I come into down here to my terminal, and I do Python how to use environment variables and enter, you'll see that home env is equal to the value of user/Zach, and that is the same value as what echo does. So just like that, that is a simple way of how you can leverage Python using the OS module to grab the environment variables that are on your machine. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. I hope you found this helpful. And just as to do one more to show you, we can reset this. and we can say echo $path. Again, there's our path. Now if I change this to path and I rerun this, we'll do a few lines, and just like that, our home variable, or our variable there, is set to the exact same thing. Granted, it's in quotes because it's going to return it as a string value. That is what is up here. So that's how you can access environment variables in Python. If you find it useful, leave a comment below. If you have any question about this, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on programming.